What's up guys, welcome back to a brand new video. Welcome back to ChriSamz Property channel. I know it's been a while since you guys have seen me in person. Well, not in person, but you see my face on this channel. But guys, I'm still here. I've been extremely busy for the past few months. But let's hope that things will get better from this point on. So from the title of this video and the description and the thumbnail of this video, you know that today I'm at Whim Estates and I'm here to give you guys an update on this development as it stands now. I'm here, I'm kind of wowed, I know you will be too. I'm standing in one of the model units that we've been in previously, but it's not like you guys have seen it before. So here what? Let me just step through the back door, and if I can look right behind me there. Now that is an update. So guys, they're now building right around the model unit. We're currently standing in Block C, and I'm going to be giving guys a drone update of what the development looked like just now. Bear in mind, I can't give you a long drone shot because work has been going on, things have been moving pretty fast, and what I can tell you guys is that Block C has already started the handing over process. So persons are already living in their unit, and you know my policy already. If somebody is living there, I really don't want to fly over the property for privacy reasons, all right? So if you do get a glimpse, it will be from a very far distance, but I'll be showing you guys what is going on. So that's the other model unit right there behind me. And as you can see, units going up right there. And if I turn to the other side, you guys will see the units going up right there. So this was once 2 units surrounded by nothing. That's not the same presently, all right? So guys, for those who wanted to make a purchase, the portal is currently closed. We would have done a video advertising a section of Block D for sale. Please, if you did not get to apply at that time, get your documents ready, because come January 2026, the portal will be reopened for persons who would like to purchase into another section of Block D. So you can't say you never hear that the portal will be reopened for you. So guys, a lot of things have been going on. Like I said, the people are moving fast, the houses are going up pretty fast, and the development is progressing very well. As soon as I get more details in terms of price and the actual date when the portal will be open, I'll definitely provide you guys with that update. But for now, we're going to be taking a good look at Block C from the skies, so that you can understand what is going on here at Whim Estate. I'm going to be trying to include some other things on this channel, because the truth is we can't include everything in one update, all right? So for the information that we can put into the video, we're going to be trying to make some posts on the channel, some shorts. So you guys need to keep posted. If you subscribe, turn on your post notification bell so that you don't miss any form of update from us. Remember to like this video. Remember to share it with your family and your friend. And if you don't do it yet, what are you waiting on to hit that subscribe button? So guys, we're going to be jumping into the drone shot right now, and I hope you guys can have a better understanding. As a matter of fact, I'm going to be showing you what the model units look like standing by themselves before I give you guys the update so that you can understand what the update is actually saying. So guys, we're going into it right now, so I catch you guys on the other side of this video. guys, there we have it. Another beautiful drone update. Another beautiful update and another beautiful development. And I can't stop saying beautiful because I'm just happy to see the progress that has been made here at Whim Estate. So guys, like I say, we're in Block C. Some persons have started getting their units in Block C already, and there are plenty more to come. If you don't get a unit yet, your unit is almost ready and it is on the way. All right, so as you can see, a lot of work has been done. A lot of work is still going on right now, so just stay tuned to the channel. Your sales rep will link you as soon as it's time for a link up. All right, so don't worry yourself, things are going on pretty well. Remember to stay tuned to the channel for the update when Block D Section 2 goes out for sale. You don't want to miss that, because if you miss that date, you'll have to wait until another section is open for sale, and you don't want that either. All right, so guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you so much for making it ChriSamz for your property tours and your updates. As you can see, the model units are no longer standing alone. We have a lot of neighbors around. So one of these units will be yours because these are already sold. All right, so when your time is come, then you will be contacted for your keys. So guys, best up on yourself as always. This is Chris from ChriSamz. I'm not wearing my shirt today, but I don't know the thing already. All right, thank you guys so much for watching this video. Remember to share it. We're still trying to grow. We're still trying to make an impact in this industry, positive impact on the industry. So guys, thank you so much for the support and the love as always, and I'll catch you guys in another video. Don't miss out on the updates. Continue to comment and tell us what you want to see, and we'll try our best to deliver. So it's peace out from ChriSamz. Catch you guys in another video.